Through the generosity of Erectors Inc., Salem-Keizer Public Schools' Career and Technical Education Center received a $10,000 donation to help fund the Manufacturing, Welding, and Engineering program. The donation was made in honor of Rocky Dimmitt, who was a superintendent with the company before passing away last year.
When I think about Rocky and I think about the students at CTEC, they have that same dedication and they're showing that commitment and really show the importance of hard work, and that's what Rocky meant to Erectors.
Rocky's family, friends, and representatives from the company, including former CTEC students who now work for the company, spoke during a naming and recognition event at CTEC.
I learned how to weld and how to take pride in my work and to care about what I do. Once that all happened, I took it out into the real world. I could read a tape measure, I could take pride in my work, make sure that it was done correctly.
During the ceremony, a plaque was displayed naming the center's computer-aided design lab the Rocky Dimmitt Mechanical Design Lab. Salem-Keizer CTE courses are a great option for students as they provide hands-on learning experiences and in-depth looks into career fields.